Interest rate. Well, interest rate is a part of everything we do. Something we can't control. Whether you're buying a car, you're buying a house. Today, gonna be talking about different interest rate that's offered. Anything from 0.99. Some manufacturers are offering 0.99 up to 7.49. Different manufacturers are offering different rates. Today's exclusively gonna be about interest rates and how they affect our purchase, and how they can make us lose a lot of money, or they can help us save money when we choose the right interest rate based on our credit, based on the car, based on the brand we buy. Guys, Sharif here from Drive Away. I can't wait to negotiate your deal for you so you can drive away from the dealership right to your driveway. Hi guys, Sharif here. So hope everyone is doing well today. You had a great day today. So interest rates, manufacturers like Nissans are offering 2.99 on a 5 years right now. Toyota's is offering 5.69, or anywhere from 5.49 to 5.89 on specific Toyota models. And I'm referring to prime rates here. Prime rates are the best rate you can get, okay? Based on your credit and based on other factors as well, like your credit capacity, your total debt ratio, meaning your income versus your expenses. Okay, that's total debt ratio. Now, okay, which vehicle should I buy? Well, today the conversation, I'm not gonna be recommending what brand to buy. I would be do your research when it comes to which vehicle you want to buy, right? So Mazdas are offering what, a 5 years 3.69 or 3.59. I believe 3.69 on a 5 years for financing. Lease will be a little bit lower, but it wouldn't be significant different. Now, lease versus buying, I have a video on that already. Please watch it. If you have any questions, please reach out. So should I go with an 0.99% or 0% that, for example, Ram or Ford or GM is offering? Or should I go with the cash discount? So the manufacturer is offering you some discounts, okay? Those discounts, you could choose a 0%, or you could choose 7,500 off the price of the truck, hypothetically speaking, okay? Now, they will let you choose only one. In some situations, taking the interest rate is better. Taking the higher interest rate is better, or you take the lower interest rate. But sometimes it is better taking the higher interest rate because they give you more discount, like a bigger discount, a cash discount they call it. The manufacturer does that. Now the dealership also will offer a discount on some specific models. All the Nissans, Mazdas, Hyundais, Kias, GM, Ford, they have discounts, all of them. I mean, the American brands definitely has way more discount compared to the imported brands. Korean, Japanese, they have lower discounts than American brands, okay? Now, how do they determine the interest rate based on every customer, right? So they would look at your credit, they would check your credit history, and they would check what you qualify for. Okay, so don't let the finance manager play the games with you of, oh, I know that Toyota's offering 5.69, but yo, Mr. Customer, we're gonna get you 7%, and your credit is not good. You need to dig deeper, right? There's nothing called your credit is not good. What is my credit score? Why am I not getting the prime rate that's offered online, right? So this is very important to consider, guys, right? Depends how good you are on knowing about rates and negotiating. Negotiating interest rate is super important, guys, because it is a compounded amount. Like, it's not a simple interest rate, it's a compounded. Same with the mortgages, right? And homes. When you're taking out a mortgage, when you're taking out a car loan, it's a compounded interest rate. So you really got to keep that in mind. It just eats, it erodes your money, right? Interest rate, unfortunately, is the cost of doing business. But it's not a simple cost of doing business. The way dealerships do it and the way banks do it, it is unfortunate, specifically for mortgages. Unlike a line of credit is a simple interest rate. Okay, so I went too far right now. Let's just go back to what we're talking about today, which is which vehicle should I buy. And should I make a decision based on the interest rate? Now, the interest rate should be a factor when you're buying your vehicle, but also you should enjoy this vehicle. You should make sure this is the vehicle that fits you and fits your family needs and wants as well, because you do not want to buy a car for only practicality. It's going to be a very bad decision. If you only buy a car based on pure logic, pure practicality, pure numbers, that's a bad decision. Also, you do not want to be breaking your bank account and be car poor just because you love a specific car. Just try to have a balanced situation where you're meeting your emotions and you're meeting the logic of getting the right car, the right deal, the reliable vehicle, right? Now, rates are not too bad right now. So if you're shopping for a vehicle, make sure you call many dealerships, call as much as you can, and make sure that you're looking at the manufacturer website to know what the interest rate is. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this. That was just a short video about interest rate. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye now.